after much delay, Aam Aadmi Party leader and current Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has officially filed her nomination papers for the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. Well, initially scheduled to submit her papers on Monday, Atishi's plans were delayed due to a roadshow, causing her to miss the 3 p.m. deadline set by the Election Commission. Listen in to what she has to say.
जिस मकर संक्रांति के शुभ अवसर पर जो नए साल की शुरुआत होती है, इस मकर संक्रांति पे मैंने कालकाजी विधानसभा से अपना नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म फाइल किया है और मुझे पूरा उम्मीद है कि जिस तरह पिछले 5 साल से कालका जी के लोगों से, कालका जी के बुजुर्गों से, महिलाओं से, बच्चों से मुझे बहुत प्यार मिला है, उसी तरह से आने वाले चुनाव में भी मुझे कालका जी के लोगों का आशीर्वाद जरूर मिलेगा। मैम, आपके हम बार बार इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास गए हैं। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने एक फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन का हमें कमिटमेंट दिया है और हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन का जो कमिटमेंट इलेक्शन कमीशन ने हमें दिया है वो वास्तव में जमीनी तौर पर साकार होगा।
And my colleague Shreya Ghosh is joining me for more on this. Shreya, Atishi is in the election fray against BJP candidate Ramesh Biduri and Congress's Alka Lamba for the Kalkaji seat. You've been on the ground. Tell us which party is gaining ground on the Kalkaji seat. It is a prestige battle for all three.
Absolutely, Aditi. We know for a fact that Kalkaji constituency is a hot seat ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, which is scheduled for February 5th. And we know that Aam Aadmi Party is confident of winning this time around too. They are eyeing a hat-trick this time around as well. But we have a strong candidate from Congress, Alka Lamba, who is also the president of Mahila Congress, who started her journey from student politics and then went on to become the president of Mahila Congress. She is going to fight against Atishi and right now we are at the DM office in Lajpat Nagar and she will be arriving here soon to file her nomination as well. And apart from the fight between Atishi and Alka Lamba, there is also Mr. Ramesh Biduri, who has been fielded by the BJP party and he has been 3-time MLA earlier and he's also former MP, so he's definitely a political heavyweight. So it is going to be a tough fight, but we know for a fact that Kalkaji constituency people, they have their unwavering support towards the Aam Aadmi Party, considering the kind of educational improvement in the education field has been done, especially in this constituency. And Atishi has become the face, the vote getter of Aam Aadmi Party after Mr. Kejriwal, after he stepped out of Tihar jail. We saw Atishi becoming the chief minister of Delhi, and she was also earlier the education minister, PWD minister. So she had very important portfolios in the Delhi government, and therefore she definitely has a slight edge over the other candidates who are fighting from the Kalkaji constituency. Today, in fact, after filing her nomination, she went on to say that BJP and Congress might be fighting in cahoots to defeat Aam Aadmi Party, but she is quite confident that the people living here, the residents here, be it the elders or the middle-aged people, they have been quite supportive towards her political journey, and she is confident that she will be winning from this constituency.